Are your HubSpot contacts a bit messy or duplicated? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly how to merge contacts in HubSpot, step by step, with the latest 2025 process. By the end of this guide, you'll not only clear up your database, but also make sure your CRM stays clean and efficient. Let's jump right in. First, log into your HubSpot account and navigate to your dashboard. From the top menu, go to Contacts and select Contacts again from the dropdown. Here you'll see your full contact list. Now to merge, you need to identify the two contacts you want to combine. Typically, this happens when you have duplicates. Maybe one contact was added manually and another came in through a form submission. Click on the contact you want to keep as the primary record. This is very important because all the data will remain under this contact after the merge. Inside the contact record, look at the left-hand side and click the Actions button, then select Merge. A pop-up will appear asking you to select the contact to merge with. Start typing the name or email of the duplicate contact, and HubSpot will suggest matching contacts. Once you've chosen the contact, click Merge. HubSpot will then combine their information into one single record. All their activity, emails, notes, and timeline details will merge too, ensuring nothing important is lost. Keep in mind, you cannot undo a merge once it's completed, so double check before confirming. Also, the most recent data, like email and phone number, usually takes priority, while older data is retained in the contact's property history for reference. Repeat this process for any other duplicates, and in just a few minutes, your contact list will be much cleaner and easier to manage. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to merge contacts in HubSpot like a pro in 2025. A cleaner database means better email deliverability, more accurate reports, and smoother workflows for your entire team. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover other HubSpot hacks. Thanks for watching.